Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So this is a little bit, guys, parang echo because right now, wala tayo sa ating setup magfi-film. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Maribago Blue Waters. So guys, side bit ko lang, if you're going to come here sa Maribago Blue Waters, they have an ongoing promo from buying period is December 15, but then you can use the voucher until the whole year, until 2021. So 1 year validity yun siya, guys. And by the way, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So as you can see right now, I have no makeup on, sunscreen lang, kasi it's been a long day and we're very happy with our stay here at Maribago Blue Waters. And right now, I will be reviewing to you my thoughts about this product. So, pasensya na kasi yellow yung color dito. And since my family is watching TV sa bedside, ako nandito ako sa today, we're going to talk about this Petals Pemwash. So, ito siya, guys. Ginagamit ko na siya, actually. Yan. Gamit na gamit siya. And I've been loving this. Because, by the way, its packaging, super, siya. Parang practical lang talaga na packaging. Ang gusto ko rin sa kanya yung kulay niya. Fruity-fruity yung dating niya. Parang pambata. But then, I know, konting sensitive itong pag-uusapan natin. But then, hindi naman siya. It's more on hygienic purposes. So, for me, I've been using a lot of products actually. Hindi naman ako maging bias sa natin. Hopefully, maririnig nyo ako ng maganda dito, no? Ang payat ko dito, no? Hindi ako nasanay. But then, regarding this petal wash, tingnan nyo yung packaging niya. Super practical. Ang ganda ng lining, parang fruity-fruity, pang bata. And at the same time, yung price niya is 140 pesos SRP, which is super affordable niya. And then, 150 ml na siya. So, sinasabi dito sa packaging is Petals Pemwash, Feminine Wash, and pH Balance, Fresh and Clean Protection, Hypoallergenic. So, nilagay naman nila dito is helps maintain healthy pH levels, conquers bad odor, and protects from itching infection with its antibacterial formula. Okay. So, this one pala, guys, is I found this at Petals. Meron silang FB page and they have an Instagram as well. I will be placing the link on the description box. As what I have mentioned, it's 140 pesos. Pasensya na, ganito yung mukha ko pala kasi I'm going to shower after this and I'm going to use this one. So, hindi ko na naman pwedeng i-detail pa yun kung paano siya gamitin, no? Kasi alam niyo naman yung Pem Wash. But then what's good about this, because you can also use this as your whole body wash. And nag-claim sila na magagamit talaga. And I can attest to this because mostly, yung mga, di ba, mga feminine wash, pag hina-wash niyo siya, para bang nag-squeaky clean yung yung under dyan. But then, this one, sakto lang yun talaga yung cleaning niya. And then, parang supernatural siya sa masenang bahagi ng ating katawan. And then, ang napapansin ko lang is, hindi siya, though mabango siya, but then hindi siya yung strong na bango talaga na kaka-irritate ng down there. Ganun. Down there na lang, down there. So, yan, hindi siya gano'n nakaka-irritate. At ang ganda niyang gamitin kasi super na talaga siya. Yung, gentle down there. Natatawa ako sa down there. Yan. Super gentle niya. And when it comes naman sa price, it's super reasonable because 140 pesos is affordable na siya for 150 ml. Ang dami. Matagal ko siyang ginamit. Pero ito, tingnan nyo. Parang pa-halfway pa lang ako sa kanya. And ginagamit ko. Ang gusto ko talaga sa kanya, parang yung texture niya ba? Jelly. And pero pag-apply mo, siya, madali siyang mag-dissolve. And then, parang nalalaro ko talaga to kasi Parang, ang sarap niyang ganunin. Kasi, ang ganda ng, ano niya, shall I say, hindi naman siya pigmentation. But then, ang flow ng kanyang liquid ba? Tingnan niyo. Papakita ko pa. Sayang, no? Pero magamit din natin to. Yan, ganyan siya. Para siyang ganito. Hindi siya super watery, guys. O, parang jelly-jelly yung dating niya. So, pwede naman siyang gamitin, not lang just down there, but sa whole body. Kaya, okay lang. Mag-ano naman ako mamaya. Yun ang masasabi ko, guys. Ginagamit ko na to siya for almost 2 weeks. But then, ang dami pa niya. Oh, super dami pa niya. So, tipid na tipid siya. And, so far, yung pinakagusto ko sa kanya. Kasi, hindi ako nagkaka-irritate nito. And, para bang, nano-neutralize niya yung, sa mga babae, meron naman talaga tayong yung mga discharges, konti. Nano-neutralize niya yung, amoy. Yun ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And, parang, ang feeling ko pag ginagamit ko to super fresh ako. Honestly, super fresh, walang irritation. Yun talaga ang first impression ko sa kanya. And then, hindi siya super squeaky clean down there. Parang natural lang siya na, para bang, paano ko to explain? Hindi siya uncomfortable ba? Hindi mo talaga mafe-feel na super clean down there. Parang neutral lang na talagang nalinis siya and then walang odor at saka maganda siyang gamitin, honestly. And pinaka-importante is basta parang fresh ka in a way na hindi siya drying. So, I hope that may you're going to find this helpful, especially sa mga teenager dyan. I think this will be fitting for you and as well as mga moms, basta females out there. This is very useful to you. Ako, useful talaga to sa akin. Naging big help to siya. Na ginagamit ko siya every night and every morning. So, I hope this review will help you. And if you're going to ask me if I'm going to purchase again, of course, I'm going to purchase again for the price and for its quality. Sulit na sulit. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye for now. Sarang kasi maliligo na ako. Bye-bye!